get this bad boy open. Oh. And yes, I open mine with my hands like a man. Just kidding. All right. Let's see what we get. All right. All right, all right, all right. You can turn on the light. Shit. Don't worry, I'll block that light with my head. Guess I'll do this one. Nothing there. So those on the ground. Oh, we got something. Ooh, a hoopa. Second one this weekend, actually. Put that there. A hoopa so far. Sorry if I suck at opening these. I am new to this. Oh, another one. You can see that. Oh, a Minoon? I'll take it. I don't have that one yet. Right on. Cool. So far, 2 hits. We'll see. Got a long way to go. Let me get these. Sorry. Maybe I should edit this. And I will be taking some smoke breaks. Oh, duh. Oh no. Got fooled myself. Thought I got another hit. I was like, wow. That would have been cool. So I got this booster box at a toy show today for, I think I paid $105. So that's pretty good. Actually pretty good. He cut me a deal because I bought 2 of them. So nothing. Wow. Looking for the Groudon. I already have the Roaring Moon EX #1 card in the set. Looking for the Steelix and the Groudon. Nothing. Womp womp womp. These packs are nice. Nice packs. Nothing. Nothing. I'm just gonna kind of run through these. I know some of these guys, they just take their sweet, merry little time. Oh, got something. I think. Oh, it's a pretty card. I'll take it. Iron Valley EX. I think I have like 3 or 4 of those. Okay. Nothing. Nothing. Come on, baby. Running dry now. It's all for the fun though. Nothing. Rah. Oh, gold trim here. What do we got here? Can we get it to focus? Oh, nice. I'll take that. Cool, nice. Roaring Moon. I do not have that one. Nice. Cool. Oh. Let's take a look. We can get this thing to focus. No, I can't. Nice. Okay. I will take that. Nothing. Wah, wah, wah. I do not believe I have this card. I do not believe. This one looks pretty good. Huh. Looks pretty good. Nothing. Blah, blah, blah. Oh. Told you I'll be taking a smoke break. Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. I have this one already, but cool. Another hit. Let's go. I'm out of top loaders. Sucks. Oh well. They are on the way. Nothing. Nothing. Okay. Oh, I see something. Let's check her out. Oh, deceitful. Not cool. Got a few of those. Nothing. Oh, I think this one has a hit. Ah. Bwah, bwah, bwah. Come on, baby. Looking for... I really want that Steelix. And that Groudon. Come on, baby. Be good to me. No. Nope. I just run through these. I'm not gonna do that slow crap. Just run through them. Nothing. Come on, baby. I'm showing you guys. I think I've been not even showing you guys the right side of the code card. I just noticed the whole time. For the people that want the code card, whatever, I'm not gonna do that, honestly. That would take forever. I don't see the point. Alright. Oh, we got something. Damn. Thought it was a Steelix. No, nothing. Womp womp. Womp womp womp. Come on, baby. Big money. Nothing. Oh, got some. Nothing. Another EX. Huh. Okay. Nothing. Jeez, look at that streak. I don't think you can see that it's right there, but jeez. Oh, got something. Oh, I don't have this one. I'll take it. That's a nice card. Cool. Nothing. Oh, got something. Nothing. Another EX. I might have to open up that other one. Trying to do this video as fast as possible. Hopefully it's clear enough for you guys. Nope, nope, and nope. And then there was three packs. Nothing. Okay, 2 more packs. How crazy. We get something. Last 2. Oh, thought it was something. Nope. Just another crummy EX. Oh, you gotta separate these. Alright, last pack. Last pack magic. Oh, and the corner's bent. Oh no. Oh, I got my Steelix, but not the one that I needed. And that's okay because it's all part of the game. Well, I had fun doing my first video. Cool.